Well, good morning, guys. We are out on the Salmon River today, going to get some breakfast. Sun doesn't come up till 7:30. Got everything ready to go. Should be a good day of fishing. Going to get some morning coffee. Oh man, nothing better than a warm coffee to start the day. So we have a map of the Salmon River here. In the wintertime, all the trout have now migrated higher up in the river. Now this is mostly where they're at in the winter. You can catch them towards the DSR, which is closer to the mouth of the river this time of year, but those spots are very hard to read for beginners, and if you don't know those pools well, you may struggle or have a hard time. So I would recommend coming above Pineville and pretty much only fishing this stretch of the river. Most people will not come here in the winter because of the weather, and they think, oh, the fish are dormant, they're not going to bite. The fishing, this is world-class fishing here, year-round. Dude, that's money cast. It's getting hits all earlier today, like 12 o'clock. That's the prime time in the winter for this spot, midday, which is surprising. This is not for the faint-hearted, this fishing. This is our 6th time up here. This is my first time fly fishing here ever. This is my first time actually fly fishing at all. And I was fortunate enough to hook up on a steelhead within my first 10 casts of the day. There's a really nice guy named Scott next to me fishing. Gave me some tips and tricks real quick. And I was immediately on a fish right after. So, pays off to talk to the locals. Get as much information as you can. And my fly is all messed up again.
All right, first one took about 4 hours. Oh yeah, no! Lost her.
Iggy just lost one down there. He's got his GoPro going. Iggy's using a center pin. Cheers. Looks like it's gonna be a beautiful day out here. Excited. Let's go. Day 2, fly fishing for the first time. See if we can get another one. Let's go. Headed to the first spot of the day now.
Running the pink worm. Thought I just got a hit. Right about down there. I think that's an angry low. But it runs really good in these rapids right here, so we can get one water here. Come on, like that bobber looks so good out there, bro. Yeah. The guide last time me and Joe were talking to said you want to try and float it through the bubbles. Yeah. Like the white bubbles, the calm white bubbles on the side of the rapids. Yeah. We're gonna head to, I think, Town Pool. Hopefully it's not too packed. Get it.
Alright, oh my god. Next spot might break my leg going down here. Just pulled up to this nice spot. Just following my drift down. I have about 4 feet of tippet on this line. You want to cut off probably about a foot of your leader. You can use up to 15 feet from your fly line to your hook. You want to make the most out of your tippet. That's the most important part. Presentation looks the best on that. Well guys, we threw a few flies under the bridge here. No luck. Moving up to a spot a little higher up here. No luck. This is normally a fantastic spot in the fall and the spring, all throughout here, right at the end of these rapids and right under that bridge down there. 10, 15, 20 minutes at one spot, then move on. If you don't feel like bearing the cold and coming out here in the winter time for some steelhead, although it's world-class fishing, you can come back in the spring, summer, fall, any time of the year. They have fish biting all year long. Steelhead, northern pike, smallmouth bass, salmon, they got it all here. So we're gonna go back up to Altmar, honestly. There's not as many fish holding down in Pulaski this time of year. Got a fish on the fly rod. Small one. Oh, he's ripping. Here, you wanna hold the rod and I'll grab him? I'll grab it. Hold up, let me get him shallower. He's still horsing, Sock. Don't grab him yet. I'll grab him. Oh, that's a fat one. Make sure hold it, guys. Beauty. 2 off the nuke egg. Hold my rod. On camera. It's about to get dark. We got about 5-10 minutes before we have to be out of here. You can only fish till 30 minutes after sunset. I just lost one. I didn't retie after that first fish, which you should always retie after you catch a fish, especially a larger one. That line was definitely damaged. Amateur mistake by me. Got one fish today on the fly rod in the lower fly zone, right in Altmar. We're about to head home right now, get some pizza, have some adult beverages. I'll see you guys in a bit. We got some pizza here from Stefano's. Not really much good pizza up here, to be honest with you guys, but that's probably the best place. Alright guys, day 3. We're about to head out. 2 fish for the trip. Probably lost about 5 or 6 of them. We're gonna go get some today.
There's no way that's a snag.
Egg, take your time. I got the net if you want to bring him back, if you can bring him backwards.
No, coming down maybe?
Oh. Lost it.
Dude, those guys were out there when we got here this morning. They didn't switch spots.
Just came back from dinner, guys. About to go relax. Watch the football game for a bit, have some laughs, go to bed, get up early, fish for a few more hours, and then we're out of here.
We're gonna wait one before we leave.
Day 4 out here. We're leaving today. Figured we'd come out, get a few more casts in before we leave. We're at the same spot right below the bridge in Altmar in the lower fly zone. 8% battery, big socks, got a fish on. Take your time, bro. Take your time. No rush to bring that fish in. Oh, he's taking off again.
Holy shit! Yeah! It's a beast, guys. I fought for this for 4 days, guys. My 2nd day fly fishing.
Right in the top of the mouth. Here we go, hook set. Then we get the hook out.
Yeah, break it out. Got it. Here we go. All right, quality fish release now, guys.
Big steelhead. Yeah, I got one, bro.
Same exact fly imitation I was using. Wow, guys.
What a beautiful specimen around here, Salmon River, New York, man.
Alright guys, we're calling it, about to head home. If you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe for more. We'll be dropping more content in the coming weeks. Follow along, turn the notifications on. And thanks for stopping by.